第75页文艺选填，麻醉觉醒，在医生的手术刀下醒来。
Awake under the knife. Consciousness, though complex and difficult to define, is commonly described as one's awareness of oneself in relation to the surrounding world. When anesthesia is administered, consciousness diminishes. This results in a state that resembles that of a coma. Most people wake up after surgery without experiencing the trauma and pain that would usually happen during a procedure. However, that was not the case for a Canadian woman named Donna Pinner. In 2008, Pinner underwent an abdominal procedure due to heavy bleeding during her menstrual cycle. Initially, she thought the surgery had gone as planned and was over as she regained consciousness. However, she soon realized with sheer horror that she had woken up right before the surgeon was about to make his first cut, but she was unable to move. The general anesthetic had failed, but her body was completely paralyzed because of the use of a paralytic agent. She could not communicate that something was wrong. For the next hour and a half, Pinner was in extreme agony as the surgery continued, despite her multiple attempts to move her foot and her skyrocketing heart rate. The traumatic experience of anesthesia awareness, waking up during surgery that involves general anesthesia, left Pinner with years of post-traumatic stress disorder. This condition caused her to suffer from recurrent nightmares and forced her to take medical leave from her job. While anesthesia awareness is relatively rare, it is not unheard of. Certain tools can be used to detect sedation levels, such as monitoring vital signs and assessing responses to stimuli, but the detection of awareness is more challenging. Some monitoring devices can measure brainwaves and electrical signals, yet there is no definitive way to measure consciousness during surgery. Fortunately, most patients who go through surgery regain consciousness well after the operation. Ongoing studies aim to shed light on the intricacies of this phenomenon to prevent future trauma and advance the understanding of how anesthesia influences consciousness.